Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Through my channel, I have been making videos on soft skills and communication skills. The intention of the channel is to help people nurture their soft skills to a greater level. Today's session, my dear friends, is about the concept of following your passion. Let's see a group of people who have followed their passion despite their background and social context. These people I am going to tell you now had no godfathers, they had no money power, or not even social background. Here we go. The first person is Valmiki. He was a thief and a violent robber. But he wrote the Ramayana, which has defined the polity and religion of India. He was not born great, but he achieved greatness. The second set of people are Guru Nanak, Kalidas, Kabir, Ghalib, and Tukaram. All these five people are poor and illiterate, but they produce the best poetry. They were not born great. Third one is Shakespeare. How many of you know that Shakespeare failed 5th class thrice? But today, if English language is what it is because of him. He has written poetry, he has written drama, he is responsible for the English language that we have today. William Shakespeare was not born great. The fourth person is Benjamin Franklin. History tells us that Benjamin Franklin, when he died, was a great orator, a great mathematician, a scientist, and a philosopher. But when he was a child, he failed in maths. And he was never comfortable facing people from stage. He died as an orator. Fifth person is the Mahatma, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And his story is known to everyone. He was never able to face people, but he led the Indian freedom movement. The likes of Nelson Mandela, the likes of Martin Luther King Jr., Frontier Gandhi Khan, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, everybody was inspired by his non-violent methods of getting freedom. And history is full of examples of his followers. Today he is hailed as the 21st century Jesus Christ. The next in line is another great person, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was born an untouchable, but today he is hailed as the emancipator of untouchables. He drafted the Indian Constitution. He had no godfather, he had no money, no power, but he gave power to everyone, irrespective of their caste, religion, and gender. He was never born great. He achieved greatness. Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was very poor, and history tells us that he had to swim across the river to go to school. Today we remember him as the cleanest Prime Minister India has ever had. Nobody will doubt his credibility. And his slogan, Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan, is highly rated. Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was poor and absent-minded. He was reckless in appearance and behavior. But he proposed the law of gravitation, and you know how this law of gravitation principle changed the course of science history. Thomas Alva Edison. He was a school dropout, but when he died, he had 1300 inventions to his credit. He was hailed as the third greatest American of all time. That's Thomas Alva Edison for you. Madame Curie. She could not afford bread and butter in her childhood, but she persisted, and with persistence and dedication to her work and study, she achieved Nobel Prize twice. She won Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903 and for Chemistry in 1911. And she inspired even her family. She inspired her husband, who won a Nobel Prize, her daughter and son-in-law. 4 members of the same family won Nobel Prize. She was not born rich. Einstein, just like Thomas Alva Edison, he was poor in studies. He failed in maths. He was called as a boy of no intellectual ability. But he proposed the theory of relativity, which has changed the course of science. Our own Dhirubhai Ambani passed only 7th class, worked in petrol bunks. Before he came back to India, had started his work. And when he died, he built the Ambani empire. Even today, the good work of Dhirubhai Ambani is being carried out by his son, Mukesh Ambani. Abraham Lincoln. He was the poor son of a cobbler. It is said a quitter never wins and a winner never quits. Though he failed 16 times in different fields, he continued to contest the elections and finally he was elected as the President of America. With that election, with the Gettysburg Address of Abraham Lincoln, he gave freedom to the Negroes. He abolished slavery. Today, everybody hails him as the greatest American ever lived. Bill Gates was a school dropout. Akshay Kumar worked as a chef in a hotel. Rajnikant was a bus conductor. Amitabh Bachchan, though he was from a rich background, he was rejected in the initial days of his life for his lousy voice. Today his voice is considered a great asset to the industry. Amitabh Bachchan, there is something special we need to understand. He lost money when he started ABCL, but bounced back as a lion and cleared all the debts. I need to mention one more name, the name of Jose Thomas. We may not know him, he is not as popular as all these people are. Jose Thomas, a son of the soil, planted 10,000 pine plants and he used to water them regularly. People called him Mad Thomas. After 20 years, people called him Great Thomas because he created Ooty all by himself. Irfan Khan, who died yesterday, he had no money to buy tickets for Jurassic Park movie. A few years later, he was part of Jurassic World movie as an actor. He was not born great. Dick Vujicic, he had no arms and limbs, but nothing could stop him from doing what he needs to do. Today he is a life coach and a motivator. Dear friends, this list is not exhaustive. You can include many more names. You can curate your own names. You can include the likes of Mother Teresa. You can include the likes of Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Indira Nooyi. Anybody's name can be included. But the basic line you will understand behind the success of all these people is their perseverance and determination to succeed against all odds. None of them is born great, but they achieved greatness through their sheer perseverance and hard work. They took measured steps in the right direction to achieve what they wanted to achieve. They followed their passion. Dear friends, what is your passion? Want to set up your own startup? Persevere, plan, dream big, execute your plans. Do you want to enter the corporate world? Study well, move in the right direction, and you will succeed. Do you want to become a cricketer? Follow the great path that others have followed. Practice. Remember, my dear friends, whatever you wish to do in your life, you can always do it. The basic line is persevere, do hard work, move in the right direction. Put aside all kinds of hurdles and obstacles that will come in on your way. If you can do that, if you can practice 8 hours a day like Sachin Tendulkar, if you can practice 8 hours per day like Beethoven or our own A.R. Rahman and Ilayaraja sir, you'll go places. Thank you.